Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will fix the issue of unfortunately com.samsung.faceservice has stopped error. So first of all, open settings on your Android device. Then go to App Manager. Then click on the app list. There you will see all your installed apps. Tap on Camera. Now all you have to do is to tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Head back to All Application and select Photos. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now go to Home screen and restart your device. This will fix this issue, and if not, then you have to install an app named as Package Disabler Pro. This is a paid app. Install this app and disable com.samsung.faceservice. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.